So Marley's got his tractor and we're going to put some dinosaurs in it. This one is a lovely Brachiosaurus. Oops, we almost lost our tractor. But you're going to put your Brachiosaurus in the tractor. The next one is a Triceratops.
Blue.
It's blue and it's a bit muddy down the bottom. Blue Triceratops.
Man.
Mud. Here's a Pteranodon. It's a flying dinosaur.
X. Mommy.
The mummy dinosaur, is it? I think this one's a Stygimoloch from memory. It's a pretty special. This one looks a bit like it could be an oviraptor. It's a snake, is it?
Yeah.
Snake dinosaur. I think this one might be some type of T-Rex. Right, that's a very scary dinosaur. This one could be a Plesiosaurus or maybe an Elasmosaurus or something like that.
Mommy.
That's a nice dinosaur.
Mommy.
Oh, that one's the mummy dinosaur, is it?
Yeah.
The mummy dinosaur.
Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, that's the daddy dinosaur. The daddy dinosaur. Here's another Brachiosaurus.
Yeah.
Look, that one, now we've got the mummy and the daddy.
Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. A bear.
Oh, the mummy and the daddy. What about this one? This is another T-Rex. So we could.
Roar.
That's it.
Roar.
Oh, that's a big scary dinosaur, isn't it? And this one could be another oviraptor. That one's pretty special. You're going to put them in the truck? In the back of the tractor? Here's another Pteranodon. Oh, that's a very scary dinosaur that you've got over there. What is it?
Mud.
Oh, it's got mud. It's got mud all over its legs. Can we have a look at this? No, we can't have a look. This is from the Dinosaur Train, all these, and this one I think is the conductor, the train conductor. Oh, you've got this one. This dinosaur actually was in the water. I think it was either like a Plesiosaurus or an Elasmosaurus or something like that. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a Brachiosaurus. You're going to put the Brachiosaurus in the back? Here's another one that was in the water. This one's a shark. Shark. Scary shark. There we go.
Mommy.
The mummy. It does look like a mummy. I think it's got nice eyelashes, doesn't it?
Eyes.
That's the shark's eyes. Here's another. Is that a brachiosaurus? Yeah, that would be a Brachiosaurus, I would say. That looks like
Daddy.
That's the daddy Brachiosaurus, is it?
Yes.
And here's another T-Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Oh, the scary dinosaur, isn't it? This one looks a bit like a Triceratops. I'm not actually sure what it is because the horn is a bit different. Maybe it's...
Mud.
I'm not sure.
Mud.
It's got mud on it, doesn't it? Mud. Here's another one with mud. This is a Pteranodon. Mud. That's right, the Pteranodon's got mud on it.
Mini.
Too many?
Yeah.
Too many in the tractor?
No.
We say goodbye.
No.